Hello, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong, where in 2021, there's a lot of great things going on. Today, guys, I am going to make the what? Yes, that's right, the un-tuna. If you like tuna, you're gonna love the un-tuna. It's vegan, and guys, don't knock it till you try it. So there you go right there. We got the garbanzo beans, chickpeas is the same thing. And you're gonna make that into what? Tuna. And I'm gonna tell you how I do it. But let me go ahead and get started. Let me start off by washing my hands. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take these beans out of the can and rinse them out. And we're good to go. So let me go ahead and get started. And let's go. We're going to rinse the beans. But remember, I always use apple cider vinegar with the mother, a cap full of that to make sure it's extra clean, because we don't know what they do in these warehouses, right? And I'm trying to prolong my life as long as I can. So let me go ahead and get that rinsed off and drained, and then we're ready to get this stuff working. So before I get into it too deep, without reminding you, the Nori seaweed gives you the smell and the taste of fish. Now, you make sure that it's the vegan if you're going the vegan route. So I had to get the organic, all natural vegan. And you just shred it up into flakes. They sell it in a flake, and it's the, I just didn't find it today. So, but this is the next best thing. And then of course I have the nutritional yeast, and then I have the Himalayas black salt. And I just use a little bit of that. It's gonna give you that egg taste, because a lot of people put eggs in their tuna. So just a hint of salt is gonna give it that egg taste. It's gonna give you the egg taste. Okay, and let's go ahead. I'm gonna chop up some, I call them purple onions, but they call it red onions. So I'm gonna chop up a red onion, not a lot, because you don't wanna overpower the un-tuna. And then for the color, a lot of people use the soy or the, the soy or the tamarind. But I'm not using that because I've got all the ingredients that I need. Just want to give you another example. And then of course I'll mix it up with the Vegenaise. And then I don't really put mustard in mine, but I might put a little mustard in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the potato masher, or you can pulsate it in a blender, the chickpeas. And I don't cook mine. I rinse them very well, and then I go ahead and mash them up. Some people do, and them cool, but they're already cooked. So I'm gonna mash the chickpeas up, or the garbanzo chickpeas. I'm gonna go ahead and mash them up with the potato masher, but I don't want them too mushy. You wanna have some kind of texture to it, so it'll look a lot like tuna, right? All right, so let me go ahead and get that done. So we're gonna go ahead and get these mashed, and they're not hard to mash them, but you don't want them to have, see, I will pick all of the little white hulls out because that would be distracting while you're eating. I tried to get as much of it off as possible, but I don't like that. So, and of course, yes guys, my hands are clean. So you're gonna just mash them up. I probably should have pulsated these because I'd used a whole can, but I'll be back. I just want to show you. You're gonna mash them up, and then I'm gonna pick all the little hulls off because I don't like them. And it's nothing like to be into your meal and then you got a hull stuck in the roof of your mouth. Yuck. Okay, I'll be right back. And now you have it. And it looks just like tuna, doesn't it? Tuna is all brown. I'm not gonna put that soy in it because guess what? It's salt. So you don't really need it. Some people chop up celery. I'm not putting celery in it because I have my green lemonade. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and dump all the ingredients in here, which is the seaweed, the black salt, the onions, and the nutritional yeast, and I'm gonna mix that up. Then I'm gonna add the Vegenaise, the soy Vegenaise. I'm not gonna put mustard in it, and this thing is ready. I'll see you guys at the table. So guys, I'm sitting here saying, this look like it's missing something, and you know your girl forgot to put something in here, and here it is. Bam! Pickles! Some people don't eat pickles in their potato salads or their tunas and things like that. This un-tuna is going to have some dill relish. Yes, it's going in there now. Bam! Oh, this looks so delicious. Looks delicious. Looks so delicious. So look at it. Don't it look like tuna? It looks just like tuna, but it's un-tuna. And if you guys trying to get fit and healthy in your life, get yourself some un-tuna. It's the best. See you at the table. Hey y'all, it's your girl over at Eat to Live Strong, and today's lunch was a winner. Yes, this chickpea un-tuna tuna tastes exactly like tuna. Don't knock it until you try it. It is really good. A lot of people are like, I don't know, chickpeas, hey, it's not tuna. Looks like tuna, tastes like tuna, smells like tuna. And as I told you guys all along, it's all in the seasonings when you're trying to go vegan. And that's what I did. So I had the audacity to also make it a little bit fancy here. Got me an avocado boat with that un-tuna in it, and I put a little crack on it. So you can do it in a avocado boat. You can put it on a bed of lettuce. You can eat it with crackers. You can even make it out of a sandwich. I'm trying to stay away from the carbs, the breads and things like that. And you can put some lettuce and tomatoes and make it into a salad. I have my tomatoes, however you say it. Because remember, 1, 2, 3, 2 fruits, 2 veggies at lunch. And I have my grapes. Yummy. I have grapes. Tomatoes is, guess what? It's a fruit. So I have that. And the avocado is kind of a fruit too. But I have my onions and my un-tuna. And then the protein, guess what? The garbanzo chickpeas. That's right. So I am well ready to try this out for you guys. But before I go in and dig in, let me go in like this. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive from the nourishment of my body. Lord, thank you for all the continued blessings of this household. And thank you, Lord, for our health and for our finances. Bless every aspect of this meal for the wellness of our body. It is in your son's name, Jesus Christ, that I'm begging and pleading and praying for these things. Amen. Hallelujah. I love you. Okay, so go to the gym, come back. 15 minutes is done. So I did a little shopping today and got a little workout in, came home, 15 minutes, done. It is done. It's healthy and it's done. And there's so many different things you can do with this. Some people put celery in it. I didn't do celery because I got my juice, my green juice that has celery and spinach and a whole bunch of other vegetables in it. So I'm good on the vegetable side. So I'm just gonna go and dig in on this meal today. But while I'm thinking about it, tell me, what would you put in your un-tuna or your tuna? And tell me if you would try this. I'm telling you, I promise you, it tastes exactly like tuna. Gave it to my family. They was like, yeah, it really does taste like tuna. I'm telling you guys, don't knock veganism. Get your seasoning, you good to go. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go in on this one. I'm gonna hold it up here so you can see exactly what it looks like. Let me see if I can. See that? See that? That little onions, I put a little paprika on the top. Some people put a squeeze of lemon on it. I didn't need it because I had the pickles. I didn't put the dill in it because I had dill pickles. So here we go. Cheers and Y'all, that black salt, give it that egg taste, and that Nori seaweed makes it taste like the fish. I'm telling you, it's nothing to it but to do it. Look at that. I made enough for lunch for the next couple of days. Absolutely tasty. That cracker made it pop too. And if you want to put it on some bread, a bun, or some wheat bread or something of that nature, toast it lightly. Put you a slice of cheese, Havarti or provolone cheese. Oh my God. And of course at the bottom I have the avocado, so I gotta eat the avocado out. This is really, really good. Again, 1, 2, 3, I got my fruits and my veggies and my protein. 15 minutes is done. And with the black salt, be careful with it because that was the Himalayas. Himalayan salt, you don't have to put that much in because it's very powerful. So a couple of sprinkles, like maybe a pinch full, perfect. This is, I can't even tell. I wish you could taste it through the screen. It is really good. Oh my God, this is so delicious.
Sorry, here, have some. Sorry, guys. Open wide. So if you tried this, please put it in the comment box and let me know. What did you think of it? And if you haven't tried it, will you try it? Let me know. And if you will try it, or if you have tried it, let me know what you put in yours, or what else would you put in there. It is really tasty, guys. And I'm gonna wrap this up because I don't want y'all to be sitting here looking at me eat when you can go in there and make your own un-tuna, chickpea tuna, chickpea un-tuna, because it's not tuna, but it tastes like tuna because of all of the seasonings. Just unbelievably good. I don't have anything more to say. It is just unbelievably un-tuna. It is so good. So before I go out, I just want to say to you, cheers. Oh, this is really good. And also, if you haven't tried the un-tuna, what are you waiting on? Get in there and try it, guys. It's easy, 15 minutes, and you got a healthy, powerful meal. Whether it's lunch or dinner, you got it. And I don't have time to sit here and lollygag with you guys when I got a whole 2 avocado boats that I gotta eat. So, thank you again for joining me. If you have not gotten all your fruits and vegetables in, don't forget, remember me. I am your Juice Plus representative, and the link is in the description box, as well as the 1, 2, 3. And also, yes, don't forget to leave me that comment if you tried it, or if you have, what would you put in it, or what would you put in it if you were trying it? Why wouldn't you try it? And just give me some comments and let me know what you think about the un-tuna, because I'm telling you, it gives you life. It gives you life. So without any further ado, make sure you review the full video. Leave me the genuine comment about the video, the un-tuna. 1, 2, 3. And after you review the video, thumbs me up. Then share me out, because sharing is caring. And then, if you're not a friend of mine on YouTube, make sure you go down below, somewhere down there, and subscribe to the channel. And don't you dare forget to go right next door and click that notification bell so that you can be notified of all of my videos when they are uploaded. Yes! So thank you again for joining me. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.